Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, if you noticed, I put stakes up on all of my tomato plants. No, I do not use tomato cages. No, I do not. But it's just another way of doing it, that's all. But last night I noticed this plant was being eaten by something. So I got up and I sprayed her last night with my lemon oil. So hopefully she does better. But everybody else is doing good. Yeah. But listen, guys, today we're going to harvest this baby right here. Yeah. We're going to harvest her and we're going to eat her. But listen, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. So last night I also gave my cucumbers a little 511 last night. Yeah, I gave them a little something something here. Yeah, I thought they could use something to help them along the way. And you're looking really good. You're doing good. Getting them big leaves. Yeah. Now I have some greens growing in the middle of the garden. There is some kohlrabi still. Yeah. Very nice looking greens. And my garlic. The garlic is looking really good. So on this side here, this is the elephant garlic, and this side is the Italian garlic. Now I gotta say, I've been eating a lot of the Italian garlic, so when the harvest comes, it won't be a lot of it, but I still enjoyed it. Yeah. The corn is coming up really good. Now, what you all didn't see is that I planted a lot of bulb flowers here. She is sticking up here. Also, I planted a lot of my harvest seeds. Yeah. And the chickpeas. They're doing good. Good, good. And a lot of the seeds that I dropped are coming up. And I do have a couple of tomato plants over there. Yeah. So I have a couple of tomato plants here in this bed, and they're doing good with some celery and onions. They're doing good. And the truck rim is just filling out, y'all. She's filling out, just big time. She's doing real good, real good. But I'm ready to go harvest this vegetable. I think it's a beet. Let's go get it. My potatoes look so wonderful. Look at that. They are really big. They're very big. Doing great. I may have time to drop some more. I know I will. Alright. So let's get this baby out of here. Come on, mama. Yeah, it's a nice beet. Look at that. So, what you're looking at here is my lunch, y'all. This is my lunch. Let's go clean her up. Alright, so just gonna get her focused. So I got her all the bad leaves off. I don't want to bring all that inside. Yeah, I don't want to bring the bad stuff inside. I'm gonna clean her up out here, and then I'm gonna clean her again in the house. But let's go get lunch on, y'all. Here she is. So I was hoping I had a carrot, even if just one. Oh, something is peeking out right here. Let's see if you can see it right there. Let's see. You can see that. It's right there. So, let's see. Oh boy. Oh boy, we got a carrot. We got a carrot. We got a carrot, y'all. That was more than what I was hoping for, really. And that's all of them. I've been eating them, y'all. I don't play with them. I eat them. So I'm gonna get a couple of these green onions here. Okay, so I just watered this plant, so let's see. Let's see what this baby is. It's pretty big. Wow. Whatever it is, it's Rudy. Rudy. Let me see, can I clean it up? This is what it is, but it's a parsnip, but it kind of curved in the pot. But I'm gonna clean her up and I'm gonna cook her. So I'm gonna take a couple of these leaves because they just so darn pretty. And this is that ruby red chard. All right, let's get some parsley. It's for the meal. This parsley is so beautiful and so healthy. Now let's go get some celery. So guys, I wanted to share with you all what my feet look like inside. Let us see. Let's put in some water. So this is my Chiyoga beet. It's boiling away. So in here I have bell peppers, onion, garlic, celery, parsley. Did I say garlic? Yeah, I got garlic. So here is my beets. Aren't they beautiful? Now this is sliced one, I guess because it boiled longest. But they're beautiful. Beautiful. But you know what? He'll eat. So I'm gonna stir this down a little bit. So I just had a call from a granddaughter. Somehow that little girl, she knows when lunch is on, huh? That's great. I love having lunch with her. So now I have the leaves, the stems, everything. They have some celery in here also. They have that ruby red Swiss chard. They have carrots. and a small piece of that parsnip. So now I'm gonna add a little lemon juice. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna add pepper, lots of pepper, and sprinkle a little salt. Something to bring out the little flavor here. And y'all know I'm gonna put a little chicken in. A little bit, but I am. Gonna do it. I'm gonna add a little water. And it's just gonna help it steam a little bit. I'm gonna top it up. Turn it on low. I'll be back.
Hey guys, this is Jada, the New Orleans gardener's granddaughter, and I'm going to be tasting my grandma's beets and other things from her garden.
All right, so you want to tell them what you have first?
Oh yeah. So we have some beets, we have some
parsnip, carrots,
we have celery, we have these this is basically the tops of the beets.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
And yeah.
And we have some pan-fried shrimps.
Yeah.
All right.
And we have lemon juice on the side.
Yeah.
For our pan-fried shrimp.
And hand sanitizer right there.
And you guys, I already did wash my hands and put hand sanitizer on before I did this. Okay.
Uh-oh. It's good.
It's amazing.
Now, I taste some. It was good. It wasn't as good as the rutabagas, but it's good.
Yeah, I would say the rutabagas are better, but I still think these are good.
And this dish is so full of iron. Lots of iron in here. So, this is my plate right here. I'm going to put some shrimps on there. Me and baby go enjoy our lunch. Right, baby? All right. So, guys, I had left, but I hadn't tasted. This is so good. I don't know if it looks like this to you. It looks like watermelon.
I thought it looked like tomato-ish.
Tomato-ish?
Or watermelon. Now I see it.
Oh, I dropped it. Okay. But listen, guys.
No.
Because I'm looking through the camera. Okay.
There we go.
It's so good.
Yes, it is.
I'm going to leave the name of this beet somewhere like right there. It is amazingly wonderful.
It is.
So I'm going to give you the name of this cabbage right here. But it is growing beautifully. Yeah, I am amazed. It's beautiful. You know how when you plant so many vegetables and you just don't remember what the name of the vegetable? Well, it just showed me who she is. She just screamed her name. So that's her name right there. Hey baby. So, and I think I planted like maybe 6 seeds, and she was that one. She was that one, y'all. Amazing. So wonderful. This is some of the flowers that Jada planted. Yeah, look at that. They are beautiful this morning. Lovely. They're beautiful. Dark purple. hmm When it's time to harvest your food, you see, seed dropping is easy. Dropping a lot of seeds is easy. And I can, you can say, oh, when your plant is growing, oh, they're growing. They're getting so beautiful. But when it's time to harvest, it's time to harvest. And that is the time when the work comes in. Harvest is work. That's your work time. But when it's time to harvest your food, harvest your food. Don't let it stay out there and just die. Share it and eat it, y'all. Eat it. Eat your food. There is no place in the garden for a lazy gardener. So if you are a lazy gardener, mm, your garden will suffer. I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Stay safe out here. Yeah. If you don't need to be out, hang out in your garden. Yeah, hang out in your garden. All right, guys. Enjoy your day. Later, y'all.